What is a lifetime belt and why do I need it? Hey, I'm Josh from Riccar and we're gonna talk about what this lifetime belt sticker is. Lifetime protection, belt is guaranteed for the life of the vacuum. Why that's an advantage to you. Number one, you don't have to change belts again. Number two, you're not gonna have to worry about, is it cleaning like it should be? Is it not turning as fast as it used to be? No, it's gonna stay the same because it's a serpentine belt and it doesn't stretch. It's on a sensor. So if we suck up something like the edge of a rug or a shoelace or the corner of something and it snags and it would normally like burn in a vacuum cleaner, this one's just gonna shut down. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. In this case here, you can see the red light, the unit shut off. We just take that out, turn it off, turn it back on. That's a really nice feature, knowing that your vacuum's protected and you're gonna get great cleaning performance, optimal cleaning performance as long as you own the machine. Happy vacuuming.